Okay.
Assalamu alaikum, girls. Let's begin. Divide rational numbers, lesson 1.9, page 59, D. And please write the date. Today it is 6th October, 6, 10, and 21. Minus 0.5 divided by minus 3 over 13. Minus 0.5 divided by minus 3 over 13. How do you do this? You write 0.5, the division becomes multiplication, and you write 13 over 3. Girls, even you can open this 0.5. How do you open this 0.5? You can make it as minus 5 over 10. And you can write this as minus 13, 3. Any questions still here? If you multiply the numerator, it will get plus. Why plus? Because both are negative, you get a positive answer. Negative and negative, you have positive. Over 30. By looking at it, you can know that both, or do it here. I will prefer to do it here. 5 times 1 and 5 times 2. So my answer is minus 13 by 6. Not minus, plus 13 over 6. If you don't know, even you can do it here, dear. 5 times 6 and 5 times 13. You can do the normal division, you will get the same answer. 6 times 12, 12. So 2, 1 over 6 is your answer. Girls, if you want, I will. It's okay if you don't change it to mixed fraction, okay? Change it to only fraction, that's enough. Finish? May I, girls?
Yeah, Miss.
Now, girls, I don't have to explain you. I've explained enough. You have solved enough. So I'll quickly do all the questions. Please write along with me. Now, A, minus 7 over 12 divided by 1 over 7. I'm just flipping it. Okay, so it is minus 49 over 12. If I solve it, I get minus 4, 1 over 12. B, minus 0.05 divided by minus 5 over 8. I change 0.05 to minus 5 over 100. Division becomes multiplication, and it is minus 8 over 5. This becomes 1 and 1. Both are negative, your answer is positive. 8 over 100. When I solve this, okay, so I get with 4 times 2, I will just divide with 4. That's what I'm writing. Divide is 4. So I get 4 times 20. So 25. 4 times 25. 2 times 2. 4 times 25. So my answer is 2 over 25. Quickly write it down, girls. I need to finish this lesson today. I have been explaining this from yesterday. Still, if you don't understand, let me know, because I will be going fast while writing the answers, while solving the answers, I mean.
Miss, I didn't understand B.
you just change the fraction 5 by 100. You know how I change 5 and then by over 100. Division become multiplication and you flip this. 5 in the numerator, 5 in the denominator. When you have numerator,
How did you get 100?
see, you change into fraction. If I say 0.5, you write 5 over 10. Because after a point, there is one number. So you'll just put 10. If it is 2, 0.25, you put 25 over 100. That means after point, there are two numbers, you put 2 zeros down there to remove the decimal, okay?
Oh, okay.
Finished? Dean, please can you turn off the AC? Okay, next question. Ghalia, are you writing?
Yeah, miss, I'm writing.
So how do you do this? You open it, 4 times 6, 24. You multiply this 24 plus 1, 25 by 4. Then you divide. The division becomes multiplication because I don't want to increase one step. Multiplication and 16 minus 5. Now, see the simplification, girls, carefully. Leen, Rital, Vateen, Malak, look on the board. What do you have in the numerator and denominator which comes in the same timetable? 5 and 25. Let us do with the other color. 5
Miss,
times
also
1.
4 and 16.
Yes?
4 and 16 also come in the same
Yeah,
table.
let us solve 5 and 25 and then 4 and 16. 5 times 1, 5 times 5. 4 times 1, 4 times 4. See here. 4 times 1, 4 times 4. So what is left? 5 is left here and 4 is left here. In the numerator, what is the denominator? 1 times 1. So you get 20 times over 1. That is nothing but 20. Your answer is why minus 20? Because you just have one sign, one negative sign, and the other is positive. So my answer is negative 20. I didn't get 2.0. This is negative 20. This is negative 20. Negative 20. Finish? Let me erase and do the D1.
Yeah.
D. Minus 1 divided by, sorry, the division becomes, it becomes multiplication. And I will flip it to, girls, is it minus 10 over 13? Is it like that? It's minus 1 minus 10 over 13. Okay. The minus is there, right? No, this is, I changed to multiplication. That's why I flipped. So you get 13 over 10. That is nothing but 1.3. 1.3. I can write it as well. Where 13 over 10. You know how did I get 13 over 10? Yeah. 1, yes. I get positive 13 over 10. Yes. Yes. 10 multiply 1 because there is nothing here. That's it. So 13 over 10, when I divide, I get 1.3. Or if you divide this way, you get 1, 3 over 10. Okay? 1/3 over 10. Finished? Finished? Number 4.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes. Let me do number 5. Question number 5A. If you have space, do it in the textbook. But if you don't have space, what is it? Simplify.
We have to simplify the complex fraction.
See, tell me what is it? -2 over 7. Division become multiplication. First, let me solve. Let me solve 1 over 3. How do you solve this? -2 over 7 divided by 4 over 3. Am I right? If you solve this, I get 4 over 3. Now you'll do it -2 over 7 multiplication flip.
Yeah.
So you get 2 times 1, 2 times 2. So -3 over 14. This is your answer. I'm wrong? No, I'm correct. I got it. Please stop me if you don't get it, especially Malak and Ghalia. You're not in front of me. Yes.
Okay, miss.
2 over 7 3 over 4.
Yes, you can do that. Anyway, Vati, we are bothered with the answer. Now, girls, can you take B and C as homework, please? Please, can you take B and C as homework? Because if I do each and everything, I will not finish my lesson at all. B and C, take it as homework.
Okay, miss.
I'm sorry, girls, but you will practice them. It is good for you. The more you practice, the more better you understand the lesson. Come on.
Done.
This everything is solved here. You just see that you can get it or not. 5 over 7, the division becomes multiplication. They put a dot and they flip 5 over 11. 11 over 5 becomes -5 over 11. I multiply the numerator, I get 25. In the denominator, I get 77. Any questions? You know very well how to do this one. You first write with the division sign -4 over 5 divided by 3 over 10. Then you do the normal thing, flip and girls, when you multiply this, what do you get? You get 40 minus 40 over 15, right? And you have to do the division. So you get 2 10 over 15. 2 10 over 15. And you simplify 2 5s or 5 2s and 5 3s. So you get 2 2 over 3.
Miss, can we use calculator?
Yes, you can use.
Miss, when I divided them, I got 25.
when I divided 40 and 15.
1 minute, 40 and 15. You don't get anything. You don't put a point. See, when you divide 40 and 15, Malak, 15 times 2 is 30. So you have a remainder 10. How do you write this? 2. 2 is the queen. You remember 10 over 15. How the clock move? You remember we did this last year? 2 is the queen. I write here and 10 over 15. Then you 5 times 2, 5 times 3. So your answer is 2, 2 over 3. I'm sorry, Rital. It's okay. She's your friend. You 5, like see, I wrote it here again. 5 times 2, see here, and 5 times 3. Tomorrow we have revision of all the units. Yes, we will do all the lessons again. We have
So when it will be the next math quiz?
math quiz after not next week. After that week, you will have lessons from 5, 6, 7, maybe 9, 8. 4 lessons will be there. Or I will just remove some lesson and I will do that. But this will be there. Divide rational numbers will be there. Okay.
This will be there?
Yes. Can't you solve it? What do you think? Finish that. Girls, finish 7. Ghalia and Malak. Ghalia,
Miss, I
where
finished
are you?
7.
Are you writing with me? What are you doing? Are
Yeah,
you
Miss,
able to
I finished
understand?
7.
Are you able to understand?
Yeah, Miss, I've been writing.
Simple here. You'll flip 13 and 34 and you get the 4 option. There is nothing in it. Question 9, please put a cross mark. Question 9, put a cross mark. I don't have time to do this. Now, the water level on lake fell by 1.5 inch. That is minus 1.5 inch. Again, girls, same thing you will do. It fell by. Fell by means minus 1.5 during a 1 week long dry spell. Simplify. How do you do this? This is nothing but minus 3 by 2. And this is nothing but 5 by 3. Now can you do it, girls? Minus 3 over 2 multiply by 3 over 5. So we get minus 9 over 10. Any questions, girls, to do this one? If I give the same question, changing the numbers, will you be able to do it in the test?
This one?
Question number 10. See, Malak, I solve minus 1.5, I get minus 3 by 2. 1, 2 over 3, I got 5 over 3 when I solve them. Then I put the numerator same and I flip the denominator. I got minus 9 over 10. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
What is the meaning of reciprocal? The reciprocal means flip. Just write down, flip. So 1 over 17. Ghalia, if you solve this, what do you get? If you solve this, Ghalia, what do you get?
I got the answer.
Yes. Open it.
17.
17.
18 over.
Yes, 18
No, 18
minus 18 over 17. But what did they ask you in the question? Find the reciprocal. Reciprocal means I don't flip it. What is the answer?
Yeah.
Minus 17 over 18.
Yeah.
Got it? This is the A. Did you understand, everyone?
Yeah.
Same way you will do B. C cross mark. C cross mark.
Miss, so this answer is for B, right?
This one is A. What I did is A. The B is again reciprocal of minus 17 over 18. Done?
Yeah.